Hello, business communicators. Instructions for week 6. Okay, our focus this week is chapter 6, a very important chapter in preparation for your exam number 2. We're going to learn this week about direct claims and requests using that BIF strategy, big idea first. So watch the chapter talk on 6, take the quiz. You also have your chapter 6 APLIA assignment and then your spelling quiz. Where you will spend the bulk of your time this week is on this assignment. You are going to write a direct claim, and then you're going to format that using the block style business letter format. So let me just break this down a bit. Okay, you're going to use a scenario in the textbook on page 180. Using that context, you're going to write a direct claim letter. Okay, so read through this clearly after having done the reading and the chapter talk. You're going to write that direct claim, but then additionally, you're going to put that in block format. So that's where this video comes in, okay? You're going to write the direct claim, and then you will watch this video that walks you through all of the nuances of block style business letters. Make sure that your claim includes the following items I have listed here. And then make sure when you submit it, that claim is in block format. Now, the video will explain all of the items on this list. These are the things I am looking for. So you're going to write the claim, you're going to submit it in block format, and then you will upload the file right here in coursework. Okay, no forum this week, just the items mentioned. Please be in touch with any questions. Thank you.